Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error code 651 that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 computer. Now this tutorial will apply for earlier versions of Windows as well. And let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search icon. Type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now on the left side, you want to select the menu icon up at the top and then select network and internet. Go down on the right and select advanced network settings. Select network reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. This will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So when you click the Reset Now button, you're going to have to restart your computer within 5 minutes, and then you will have to enter back in your Wi-Fi credentials if you want to get back online. So just take note of that, and then go ahead and select Reset Now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select Yes. Now you will be signed out within 5 minutes, so go ahead and close, and we're just going to go ahead and actually restart our system. Okay guys, there you go. So hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.